Hi everyone, I am making this video to share the layouts that I made using the Pink Paislee Again and Again collection. You would have seen on my channel I've had like 3 process videos. Yeah, that were the 3 that I filmed. I'd made 2 at home and 2 at retreat, and then the 3, I believe. So I am going to share what I've got left. So it was years ago that I got it, so I kind of got this to show. It's on my blog, this little graphic, and I started off with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 double-sided pattern papers, the ephemera pack, the stickers, the puppy stickers, and the paper clips and the sequin pack with the wood veneer. I do still have some of the wood veneer, but it's in my stash somewhere. Paper clips are in with the paper clips, but there's not many of them left actually. And then the sequins, I've still got sequins left, which will go into my stash because they can go on any layout. And this is what I've got left of the ephemera. And some of the puppy stickers are in there, so there's some bits from other collections in there. I tried to work them in, but they're kind of like the bigger bits. That's all good because I'll like label always comes in handy. We'll go back into my stash. So that's what's left of the ephemera pack. And then I've got the sticker sheet, and this is what I've got left of the sticker sheet. So we'll go back into my stash because they're always they can also be used on other layouts and things. So and the paper, I pretty much killed all this, all the paper. I believe I did a lot of fussy cutting with that one, the floral one, but there was only like the bittiest scraps left, and it wasn't even worth showing. I chucked them out as soon as I'd done, because I filmed making these videos, these process videos, before I went to retreat in November. So it would have been like September, October I made the last layouts with this kit. So I wasn't going to keep those little bitty scraps. They weren't even, they were nothing to show. I fully killed all the paper, which I'm so proud of myself. It'd only been sitting in my stash for years. So I'm going to show you the layouts now. So this was the first process that went up. So you would have seen that one. And if you didn't see the process, it's just that with a bit of mixed media on the background, and I used all the strips of paper to make it look like it was peeking out. So, and I have done a layout like this with Paige Evans when I got down to the last kind of scraps. No, actually I think it was her pattern paper with all the words. I'll have to dig it out and put a picture on my blog. So that was the first process that went up a few days ago, and I think this was the last process video that went up, and it was just using the strips, bit of crepe paper, making a little bit of a DIY embellishment. I don't think I did that on camera. I can't remember. Yeah, a lot of messy thread on them. Felt like, I don't know, just felt like it needed a lot of messy thread on these layouts. So that was the last process that went up. yesterday or the day before. I don't know if I'm going to get this up the day after. I'm hoping so. This was the second process. I should have put these in order. Using that last full piece of pattern paper that I had left, some scraps, the ephemera, tucked under my photo. I tucked the ephemera and scraps under the photo, and you can't really tell now because I got the title over it. I brought in some flowers from my stash and punched some gold butterflies, and just kept it simple. Added a doily, so there's that one. This one I haven't got a process video for. I created this. I did create this year, and then I realized I should have been filming filming my layout, so that's why I started filming the other one. So this one, there was still, let's see, yeah, quite a bit of pattern paper. Some of it's been gutted, and these are just fussy cut from the floral paper in the collection, and the leaves are actual a die, an Altenew die. If I can remember what it's called, I'll pop it on the screen. And I just watercolored some paper and then die cut it out, and I've got a whole box of them actually, because there's another layout that I've used these leaves on. So just a messy thread. These don't pull out or anything, they're just there for decoration, using some of the ephemera. Lots of stitching, a few of the puppy stickers, and the title was from my stash, from one of those sticker sets with the pre-made titles. And yeah, so you can see, like, I only had a little bit of that floral paper left, but I stretched it out into strips like that to make it look like it was going under my photo. So there's that one. So, and a focus there. Oh no, what have I done? Okay. I'm trying to get it to focus. There we go. There's that, and there's some labels tucked under there. More of the fussy cut flowers and the leaves that I die cut. Yeah, so using a lot of pattern paper, and I even used a little bit of the tiny bits that I had left of that floral paper to do the distressing on the top and the bottom. So there was that one. This one was made up at Retreat when I first got this kit. So I believe it was for a challenge. And so I cut apart the 3x4s. This one's, yeah, the photo and this one are popped up. Just some pattern paper at the top and the bottom. Some crepe paper. Sorry if you can hear that every single day. He's up and down the road every single day. What was I saying? Yeah, crepe paper that I ruffled on the top and the bottom. I don't know if this sticker was on the sticker sheet. I think it was, and I may have cut it. It might have been a longer strip. I can't remember. That is cut with my silhouette. I had a whole heap of a box of die cuts that I cut with my silhouette. We did get these little puppy word phrases in with the rest of this. And there was something else too. I believe there was like 3D stickers. They were from a different collection, and but they were in with everything that we got in this kit for retreat. So yeah, like it's clean but not clean. I didn't put any splatters on it, which is amazing. I stuck a puppy sticker on one of the paper clips. And what else? Got some more stickers there. I think I stuck a bit of wood veneer, fussy cutting, more of the puppy stickers. Yeah, so there's that one. Oh, I think yes, I made that little crepe paper kind of flower thing. Another fussy cut flower. And this cluster down here. Yeah, and distressed. I did a lot of distressing of the, oops, hit that button again. A lot of the edges are distressed. So there is that one. And I'll take photos of these and put them on my blog too. So this was made up at Retreat as well, and it was a sketch. So I believe maybe there was a square under that one. I can't remember. So yeah, just I believe they are 2x2, maybe 3x3. I don't have a ruler in here. Someone stole all my rulers. Let's see. Here we go. Got a little ruler. Yeah, 2x2. 2x2 squares in a grid, and then I got a bit of vellum and stitched around it. I took needle and thread up with me. Oh, we did get them acrylics. I'm not sure what company made them. I can't remember now. We got them as well. So, and just putting a bit of embellishment around with the puppy stickers, the ephemera, some alphas that I had taken up with me. I fussy cut these little moss out from the 3x4 cards and the pattern paper, and then I did some stitching to leave the trails on that. What else? Bolted up some of the edges to bring some interest to the top and the bottom. So I really like this one. It was the photos are all from a Mother's Day. Oh, I keep hitting that button. I'm so sorry. The photos are from a Mother's Day of me and my kids. Oh my god, Ava was just a baby. She's about to be 11. And Dylan, oh my god, he was 17 this year. Look at him there. Abby too, she's so young. She's just turned 21. This is freaking me out now. So I layered, so with the vellum I stitched the vellum, put the acrylic on, and layered one of the words from the puppy stickers on top, and you can see the stitching I've done there. And there, I've got the year right there, and I didn't even register. 2014. Well, there you go. That was quite some time ago now. So that is that layout. Okay, so I'm just making sure that the next layout is covered because it's a group photo of when we went retreat that year. And my layout is quite buckled. I'm not sure what's going on there. Oh, it's because I've got journaling in here. That's right. Okay, it hopefully should lay flat when I get it into the album. Okay. Alright, so this one I laid up, like, obviously I did gut the paper, and that's a pocket I made for the journaling. That's here. I did gut the paper, and I did a whole heap of fussy cutting of that floral paper, 2 strips behind the circle that I've hand stitched, bit of crepe paper, and this is where I've kind of learnt not to put too much glue under crepe paper, staple it down, or use the glue sparingly because it seeps right through. So, and you can see I've used that Altenew die to make my own leaves, and some of the leaves, like, because you cut the leaves out and then you layer this part on top of the leaves, so I've just used that as some extra like foliage in with my clusters. So what else have I got? I think he's fussy cut out of one of the 3x4 cards. They're just tags from the ephemera pack. Stickers were from my stash. Gold Mist. I love how the Jen Hadfield Gold Mist has splattered on that wood grain. A lot of fussy cut little moth things. Got one puppy sticker here. What else? I didn't get any other puppies on here, looks like. Yeah, it was just the one puppy sticker. So, and that was part of the ephemera pack. So it was a postcard and postcard style. So yeah, I really love how this one turned out. So I will try and get the photos and put them on my blog, so if you want a closer look at them. I'm sorry if my camera's moved, seems to have like tilted. I'll get some pictures of these and put them on my blog in case you want to recreate any of this. So I had lots of fun, especially when I was getting down to this one and using all them scraps that I had and making my own embellishments with the scraps, and this one, like, just really pushing myself to use that last little bit of paper. So guys, I will leave all the links below to the blog post for any photos and things. My Etsy shop, I sell printables and cut files. I can't even think. In my Etsy shop. I don't know if I've ever announced that on my channel. I'm gonna have to do a product show, like show some of the things that I sell. Anyway, I will hopefully get making videos in the new year, and I hope you guys all have a very Merry Christmas and a great start to the new year. And I will catch you whenever I'm back up on YouTube. See ya.